Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 17th of January 2018. So not a lot of activity yesterday on the pound, and no surprise really, and we can't really expect too much going forward either. May's got until Monday to come up with an alternative proposal, so I would expect the pound to remain fairly quiet unless something comes out of nowhere. But yesterday you can see how narrow the range was. The market breaking above the 200 bar moving average here with some professional buying. It was then met with some selling pressure, which you can see there with the red volume, and then the market managed to move higher until this bar here, where you see prices coming off the highs, and then they brought back into the market. We've got a 76% retracement here, and then it's back down, and then it was just news driven. Market comes back above the 200, then back below, then back above, and then waiting for the announcements which came out here, and then the pound moving to the upside at the moment, trading above the 200 bar moving average and the DP level, but not a lot to report here, and I would imagine, as I said earlier, will stay the same. No news today. All the main news is already out, so nothing again to move the pound for today. In the Dow yesterday, the market moving higher, trading up to the 50 bar moving average, also trading above the 24,211, but failing to close above this level. Volume was lighter than the previous day as well, so prices coming off at the moment, bit of profit taking in this market at this time. And yesterday you'll see here we've got the buying coming into this market, bit of selling pressure here, and then we see prices move higher once again, but then reverse. You've got the classic 76% retracement, 76% retracement, and 76% retracement as the market comes back down to the 50 bar moving average, and then moves higher. Again, as an observation, when the market's trading above the 200 bar moving average and it's trending, don't be surprised to see prices pull back at these averages and then find support and move higher. But once they break, you then see prices move lower. Also, the 76% retracements in this market, you will find plenty of them even in these small moves as prices oscillate and attempt to move higher. And overnight, the market, you can see there, has taken out the 200 bar moving average and the DP. It did bounce back, but once it broke with selling, you can see their prices starting to move lower, and now we have the opposite, where we've sailed through and we bounce back. We've gone through the 20 bar but up to the 50 bar, and you'll see this in this area here, and then the pressure's on back to the downside there. So an interesting pattern there that's well worth further investigation. Just something that's leapt off the charts there that I noticed earlier on this morning when I was looking. Bitcoin, nothing to report here at all. It's just becoming narrower in its range. It will break out at some point, but at the moment nothing to report here. So just a quick summary then. The pound obviously waiting for May's alternative deal, going to be out by Monday. The Dow showing a bit of weakness there, and Bitcoin move along, nothing to see here at all. And with that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.